Cascade Microtech is a semiconductor company. We have a technology that enables our customers, the semiconductor manufacturers of the world, to get their products to market faster, more reliable, and improve their yield. And so what we do is we use our precision mechanical and electrical measurement, and we are a provider of our customers when they get to the very first wafer. They have all the designs in place, but when you make that very first wafer, first silicon, compound wafer, we can help them evaluate that integrated circuit to make sure it was manufactured to specifications. The alternative, instead of testing on wafer, is to actually singulate the integrated circuits off the wafer and then package them and then test them to determine if they're working to specifications or if they're even yielding to a satisfactory integrated circuit. We can move that process up, get their products to market faster, at the same time improving their yield and lowering their cost. As a technology company, we've been around for over 30 years. Our technology has been developed, and it was developed a little too early. The market is actually moving towards our technology, and they need that to get to the next generation. Our primary growth driver has been in the radio frequency side. And what happens with the consumer needs, think about your use of wireless today. It used to be a cell phone, now it's a smartphone. It used to be cable television, and now it's streaming television. There's more and more data required in the marketplace. That data is moving through faster and faster devices. It used to be 2G phones, now it's 4G phones. When you move to 4G phones and beyond, it requires more and more content, more and more RF front-end devices. And where we're growing the fastest is in the RF testing for those products. And so as the market pulls, we will be supported by that. As the number of megabits grow, the number of devices grow, Cascade will benefit from that growth. And our growth to date, we've in our production probes market, we were the #9 worldwide manufacturer in 2013. We've gained market share. We're #6 in 2014. And I think our growth for the first half of 15 in probes is over 40% year on year. So we're accelerating in that product line. Our other product lines are our systems, and we can also help our customers evaluate not only RF devices, but any type of semiconductor device, whether it's memory, processor, we're agnostic to LED, to high power. Any wafer that needs to be tested, we offer our customers that solution. So we're all about being technology and supporting next generation and helping the who's who in the semiconductor market get those products out there faster and with better device characterization and improving yields. So what happens is, I think the best way to characterize it is years ago, high speed used to be 2 to 3 gigahertz, and now gigahertz are going up and up in speed. And our competitors do a really good job of testing devices that go up to 6 gigahertz. Our devices, we're testing in production up to 70 gigahertz. And so our patented processes are enabling the next generations. And what's really exciting about that, we used to call it the automotive radar. And so your advanced cars are actually, they'll become mainstream very soon, have anti-braking, they do the automatic parking, and those are using radio frequencies to help park the car or stop the car for safety reasons. And it used to be the 24 gigahertz, we're testing those in production. The next gen's going to 70 plus gigahertz in the next band. We're testing those in production today. So I mentioned our technology is ahead of the market. We've already got this proven technology out there, and the market is moving towards us. So we moved up from 9 to 6, and we've also gained customer share. We probably had half the customers we targeted. We're pretty much selling to all the RF customers today that require this capability that's on a Cascade platform. From an investor's perspective, if you're looking at where to put your next dollar, is that you need to find growth. And in our industry, growth has been difficult to come by. And a lot of our competitors are buying their competitors for growth, inorganic. We're growing organically because the markets that we support are growing much more rapidly than other markets. And so our compounded annual growth rate for our probes divisions can approximate 20% year on year. So where can you find a company that's got a market that's growing at that pace?